Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Day 3, Session 5 of the Ed100 Online Academy for Student Leaders. We spent the last 2 days focusing on learning, and today is the day for decisions.
We work to focus on education and training to ensure that a student has what they need to be successful. We're trying to fight for students, we're trying to fight for their right, and in order to do that, we need to know how to do that.
Anybody that's involved in our organization, whether it be a staff, volunteers, or actual members, in one way or another, we all get an opportunity to engage in this work in various ways.
We lead by example. We lead with love. We lead with intentionality. We meet our students where they are. When we established our support networks last year, they're going strong.
You can connect with students across the state and education professionals. We have a lot of connections to, like I said, school administrators and teachers and different people from all over, like lobbyists and people like that. You can learn so much about the education system and the government, which is kind of what you guys are all here for, but you get to do it with a hands-on approach.
When you join this organization, you get to make a direct impact and lead the next generation. All the things you do with track, the courses you create are going straight into the younger generation, the elementary school students right now who are using track, the hundreds of them across the nation and across the world, and that number still continues to grow every single day.
You can start a chapter or a fellowship all on your own. We're hoping to put all of our resources online so that wherever you are, if you want to start a chapter, you can do it and you can organize your community right where you are. And we want to do that because we want to empower you all to do whatever it is that you want to do in your communities to take action on climate change.
The California State Parks, we have a great partnership, and we're 2 years into a 10-year partnership with them where we're asking high school students to come out to these parks and beautify some of these trails that have been loved to death as well as being overgrown.
Sort of one small life piece of advice, whether you're in college or whatever, would be to always treat people well, because your reputation and everything you do is sort of grounded on how you treat others.
Your generation has a critical role to play as we confront these renewed challenges. And by participating in this conference, you're learning how to make change happen.
We envision Gen Up as a vehicle to create long-lasting change in our education system, and this means tangible change. We want to make sure that education advocacy, that policy change is possible for everyone.
One of the important things that PTA can do is amplify student voices by having students be part of our organization.
We were just working with such hardworking people who all had a common goal, and it was absolutely amazing. And also the adults that were part of the Ed100 team as well. Such great mentors and people that I just really took a lot away from.
The structure of California's K-12 education is basically sound, but it's still measured in promises, it's incomplete and underfunded, and pieces are missing. I hope you help fill those in. I hope you create your own Student Bill of Rights, find common ground with others, and push hard to make change.
Be the change. Start a petition. There's a whole law that you can go through the process of getting a student board member. And I know because I went through that process to get one established in my school district.